Hey guys, Tony Lane here with Paul Sherry Conversion Vans. We're taking a look at a 2026 Chrysler Pacifica conversion. It's fully loaded, brand new everything. It's only got a few miles on it. If you have any questions about this vehicle, you can check out our comment sections, and you can like and follow if you like. We're going to take a look at the back right here. It is a manual lift or manual ramp. Has two lockdowns right here. Pull that up, pull that back. Same thing with this one. Pull this up and just fold it back, and then slowly drops the ramp down just like that. As you can see, ramp holds 750 pounds. As you can see here, it goes all the way inside. You have tie downs on both sides. You have storage. Cup holders right here in the back for the back seats. Two fold away seats on the front, right and left side. Back out of here real quick. It's pretty much push up and down or push button for everything. It's the right side. Front seat right here. I'm gonna go back in there in a second. Just pull that back completely. These things are easy to stow away. You have a button here you can pull. It'll let everything down, and you just push it back up if you don't want to use it. Same thing on the other side. Give you a little bit of information on the inside as well. Power seats. I'm about 6'3", so I need a little more room than most. You have memory seats right here as well. So once you put that location in, you can keep that location and save it as yours. In the front here, we have a touchscreen integration, so you can hook up all of your apps to it. Music from iTunes. Has GPS navigation, so you can get anywhere you want. Right here as well. Also have Sirius satellite radio that you can keep using. It only has 47 miles on it as we look at it. Make sure when you get everything, put everything in park whenever you're lowering your ramp in the back. This shows you the rear view camera. You put it in drive, it goes back to normal. And it's shift on the here. So it's just a clockwise to the right or to the left. Yeah. Cruise, tilt, power windows, doors lock, lane assist, heated seats, storage here. It looks like you don't have much storage, but behind it you have storage right there. Down at the bottom here you have 12-volt DC battery hookup. In the front and in the back you have the USB ports, so you can hook everything up. Again, push right here and you're done. Just one button shuts everything down. Again, if you go to the comment section, you can get more information. We have auto check. Wasn't really needed on the new one, but if we have a pre-owned one, you can go in there and check an auto check. So you can like, comment, and share. I'll put this back up so you can see how that's done. It's very lightweight and is assisted by the spring on the bottom. It goes all the way back up on this side and this side. There's a little pin here you push and push that back in place there, and that locks it down on that side. And then do it again on this side. Lock that down. Has several tie downs inside, like I said. And again, one button push right here. And then step out of the way. If you have any questions about this unit, contact Tony Lane, and I'll be able to help you with anything that you need about this van. You guys have a good one.